Got a Polaris Trailboss. Looks like here's a 92 Trailboss 250 4x4. Seems like it only wants to run when it's on choke. Otherwise, if you take it off of choke, it doesn't run. Let's get started here. Okay, so what happened when the choke was shut off, where it's supposed to be, the four-wheeler idled up. So, I mean, either we got a leaky air leak somewhere on the crank seals, air leak, you know, on any of the gaskets, air leak there on the carb boot, or the pilot jet is just, you know, super plugged. So, we'll tear into it, take the seat off, pop the air box off, these two bolts here, take that flat off, pop the carb off, take the bolt apart. We'll see what's going on. All right, I just brushed off the outside dirt and debris. I want you guys to get first look at this too when it comes apart. Looks like there is some crud in there. Actually looks pretty clean. Doesn't mean that pilot jet still is not plugged. Maybe there's some water sitting in there also. So for the pilot jet, it'll be this guy here. Get a small flat screwdriver. We'll pull that out and take a peek. Using that small screwdriver, I was able to get it out. You can see there's some corrosion and crap on it. That hole looks a little plugged. That hole definitely is plugged. I'll hold it up to the light here. I mean, yeah, she's completely plugged. So we'll take a piece of wire and stick it in there. Be careful. Open her up a little bit. Clean out those side holes, blow it out, and take another look. So here's the jet. And I just have a piece of braided cable off of something. I don't remember what this is from. But just kind of use this to poke through the holes, you know, clean it out, get that crap out of there. Open everything up like it should be. And now if it's tight, you know, you don't want to just ream out the brass. You kind of just want to work it slowly. There was able to get it through. That's a pretty good shot. You can see what's going on, all that crap corrosion in there. So it actually probably worked good enough. Just need to get some fluid in there and make sure everything is open and clean. And this should hopefully fix the problem. So there we can see it's opened up, and there's still a little bit of crap in there. You can kind of see on the side, but cleaned it out, opened her up. I'll just run something through there again one more time, but there's still a little bit of crap down in there. Give it another shot. So there we got her pretty good. This is around in there, and it should be good to go. Throw it back in. Actually, I'll take out over to the carburetor here one more time. Hang on. So before putting this pilot jet back in, whoops, we should blow that out down in there. Down in this guy here, and it should actually come through, I think, right there. And if I can get that slide up, hang on here. That hole there too, won't focus here. There's two holes there, the one kind of angled coming at you, and then the one going up underneath the slide. Should spray those out. Those should be super clear too. So it looks like this. looks like it's gonna be fine. Okay. Yeah, so all that looks good. With this carburetor being this clean, I mean, I'm actually surprised that that pilot jet was plugged the way it was. Just what happens when stuff sits, I guess. Clean this out, clean the ball out a little bit. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about the main jet, that's all fine. Choke's all fine. Slap her back together and give it a try. Alright, gas is on. So we're just gonna try this first shot. All I did was turn the gas back on, hook everything back up, got the choke on. I mean, this is an old beater machine. The guy uses it just to beat around, but having to fiddle with the choke to drive with it, you know, it just wasn't working for him. Pretty simple fix. And put the airbox and stuff back on, put everything back together. Might need to adjust the idle. It's a hair slow, but at the same time, you know, I don't like these things just idling super fast either. And when you try to shift gears, you know, they grind. So hope this video helped. Till next time.